Here we have a really nice tool and cutter grinder. It's a 115 volt model. It is unused. It's in really good condition. A couple little minor shipping distress issues. We'll show you that in a moment. Most of all, it does operate. We tested the coolant pump, so that operates. And that's in this door right here. Now we'll turn the machine on. Now we tested all the functions on this machine, and everything appears to operate very nicely. It comes with 2 abrasive wheels. I'm not sure what grit they are, but there's 2 of them. Okay. Like we said, we tested all the electrical and mechanical functions. Everything appears to operate except for this wheel right here. This is for your crossfeed. Well, it broke during transit. You might be able to weld that back up or just replace the wheel. We'll include all the broken parts there. And it also includes some accessories here for grinding different types of tools. It's 1.5 horsepower. Made in Taiwan. It includes a universal tool and cutter grinder manual, service manual, and your parts manual. Some tools. We'll just go around here and show you. There's a little ding right here. This got a little bent on this coolant tray here. It's basically just cosmetic stuff. This took a little bit of a hit and wiped some of the paint off of here, off the junction box cover for the motor. And there's just a small ding right here on the power cord leading to the motor. Already has a plug on it. Basically plug and play, you're ready to go. Manufacture date is 11/2014. And we thank you for looking at our product.